Hi, I'm Scott Stein at CES 2014, and I'm looking at what could be the future of desktop gaming PCs. Razer is showing off Project Christine. Now, what is this? Well, Razer's never made a gaming PC before, but what we're seeing here is a concept for a modular gaming PC. It's being touted as the world's most modular PC design, and what you have here is a rack tower, and the idea is even if you don't know how to build your own PC, each of these parts plugs and plays, and you can get whatever piece you want from a future store, potentially, where you can get a drive, an LED maintenance readout display, you get speakers, you get extra graphics, maybe you have other manufacturers buying into this concept as well. And not only that, it's mineral oil cooled. Underneath here will be a reservoir of mineral oil for better cooling properties, and there's a dual self-sealing valve system right here that runs through the whole unit and cools all of the different parts. Crazy, right? Well, this does not have a release date, needless to say. It doesn't have a price. This is a concept. In fact, Razer's done this before. Project Fiona was an idea for a concept before they had the Razer Edge gaming tablet last year. And so again, this is a concept. You can imagine at some point to be building towards a product. And you're looking at a CES where PCs have been redefined, Steambox, and where else are we going to go? Maybe this is building towards that type of a future that we'll see soon. It certainly is one of the most eye-catching and awesome designs that we've seen on the show floor. A lot of people are curious about it, and that's how it works. It is called Project Christine for now. I'm Scott Stein at CES 2014 with Razer's Project Christine.